So that is on the registration part. Now I think payments, Yaman can quickly take us through. Of course, it's going to be just a very quick cycle of payment which we'll be talking about. Yeah.
So for payment modes, internet banking can be made through authorized banks. Credit and debit cards of any bank will be allowed. OTC, for OTC we have authorized banks for a single challan payment up to 10,000 rupees. For NEFT and RTGS, again any bank, and payment to be made within 7 days. Book adjustments by GOI government for government departments and only cash payments through credit slips.
So these are the various modes. Essentially, we are saying except small payments up to 10,000, everything else will be online, which even today is more or less online. So it's fine, and they've given various processes. So if you are not okay doing online banking and you want to do NEFT, then there's a process to do that. So we just quickly look at the processes for a minute. I think you will, if it's internet banking, you will initiate a payment, and then there's a GST network which will talk to a bank, validate your details, and then payment process is. I think this is all technical stuff. We can just quickly run through that. If it's an NEFT, you will have to first initiate a payment request, which will go through the payment gateway through the bank, and there will be a validation through RBI, and the confirmation will come, and based on the confirmation, there will be a payment challan. So there will be a process time if it's an NEFT or an RTGS payment as compared to the general situation of online banking. And then you have this challan. This is the format of the challan. If there's an incorrect GST network TIN number mentioned, then you have to file a refund claim, and if you just paid excess, then you can either file a refund claim or take credit in the next period. So these are the options. But yes, GST TIN number is very important. If you mismatch or do some wrong TIN number at the time of payment, you have no option but to demonstrate your payment and your credentials and claim a refund. So you have to be very careful on this one. So basically we are saying the payments which we make and the credit, all of them will go together in your electronic cash ledger, which will be ultimately used for a payment of your tax, interest and penalties.